thanks organizing committee to get me chance to be part of MECON. I'll speak on the mobile number portability. In past I have been associated especially in the signaling for the telecom number portability things, and recently I am working on data center associated with the roaming. It's because of the data center that works behind national and international roaming is possible. My question to our audience: how many of you want to change your operator without changing your mobile number? Yeah. So solution for that is mobile number portability. I think you have heard of that. In very near future, probably in month of June, we'll have mobile number portability implemented in India. Maybe in few cities, but that's going to be there. So I'm going to tell you how that technology is possible. We have got 10 plus operators operating in the NCR, and where all of operators are attracting consumers with very attractive rates. Sometimes consumers want to change their operator due to bad services or some other things, but that's not possible recently, because we don't want to change our number. Changing number means lot of headache, sending mails to your relatives, to friends, to everyone. So, but with this mobile number portability, that might be possible. Actually, mobile number portability is to change your number irrespective of services or type of service, whether landline or mobile. But in India, what will we have? That will be the mobile number portability. Means you can change your number only for the mobile. Normally we have got three types of number portability that exist in the world. First is the fixed line portability. Means you can change your landline number without any issue. Then mobile number portability. As of now, many countries like Japan, Pakistan and others, mobile number portability has already been implemented. Then third one is intermodal, also called as local number portability. It means for your region you can change your number irrespective of services like landline or mobile. So at present, Iceland, Canada and United States, those are implementing mobile complete like number portability. Actually, that history for the mobile number portability goes back to 1996, when FCC bring a mandate in US, like all the operators operating in US, those should implement the number portability, so that new operators can get chance to get the customers. Earlier there were monopoly of big operators, like many of the big operators operating in US, those have monopoly that customers cannot change their numbers or cannot change their operators. So new operators, like small operators, were not getting chance to get new business. So in 1996 there was a mandate from FCC, and in 2003 US has got complete number portability. Then comes, why do we require number portability? One main reason, subscriber. Actually, it's mainly beneficial for the subscriber. They can easily change their operator because of lower rates, improved service. One want to change to another operator due to good service. And it's possible because now technology make it possible to change your number from one operator to another. Customer have got improved choice. Actually it has got a greater impact, like if you have heard, like soon we'll have 11 digits mobile number, because the series for 10 digits mobile number may be exhausted. So mobile number portability, like if you can retain your mobile number, you don't have to purchase a new number when you move to the new operator. So that will save mobile numbers, the range for the mobile numbers. And then if mobile number portability is implemented, then it will increase the competition between the operators. They will tend to provide new service, good service, improve network quality, and they will listen, best thing, they will listen to the customers. It has got, it's beneficial for the new operators mainly, because they will have chance for getting new customers. What's going to be impact on customer? First thing, cost of service may be decreased, improve convenience, improve quality from the operators, and there may be one negative impact on the customer, fallout, means many of the calls may drop even before starting. Yeah, how that number portability is being implemented. Actually, for number portability to implement from the customer side, customer need to give request to the operator, which is called a donor operator. Donor operator receive the recipient operator. Recipient operator receive the request and give request to the donor operator who originally have the number. So donor operator will go through to the recipient operator that number has been ported, and after that number has been ported, the call will be routed to the new number, not new number, to the new operator. This will show how the number is ported. Step 1, like consumer go to the recipient operator and ask, like, I want to port my number. Recipient operator take the request. It give request to the donor operator. Donor operator process the request from their side, give response back to the recipient operator, and everything is updated into the central database. And each and every operator have got copy of central database known as a local database. It will show like how the call routing is, how the call routing will take place. First is the request given by the recipient operator to the donor operator, confirmation from the donor operator to the recipient, order confirmation that will go to the central database, order confirmation to the donor operator, connection notification that will go to the central database, that now all the calls should come to the new operator. And then last one, disconnect, like disconnect from the donor operator, that no calls will come for this number on old operator. Everything is updated into the local database. Call originates from the phone, After the call originates, request goes to the database and it gets the switch ID or mobile switch number to which the call should go, and that switch number will help in terminating the call to that recipient mobile number. Here is an example like how mobile number is, like how the signaling for the call will take place. Call originating from the mobile. Request go to the number portability database. It gets the switch ID, and then call goes back to the mobile number. Actually, with this mobile number portability technology, and charges for mobile number portability in India is going to be 19 rupees. I hope that this technology is going to be great success in India. Our team, the team I was working, was part of implementing this mobile number portability in India. Thank you.